Here we are discussing two helping verbs, namely have or has. This have or has is followed by V3, not by V1, not by any other main verb. So you have to use V3 after have or has. You've got some examples here. You can see here creative artists have freedom to express their views in most parts of the world. So here you can see this word have is used as a main verb. You see, it is used as a main verb. I've already told you that primary auxiliaries can be used as a main verb or as a helping verb. Here you can see examples of have or has used as a helping verb. Okay, so because it is used as a helping verb, you can see some main verb following. The money given to the poor countries has never solved their poverty. You see, solved, main verb, V3 follows has. Of course, you are using has here, and that is followed by a main verb, which is not the case here. Creative artists have freedom, no main verb after that. Have itself is the main verb there. So this is the way we use have or has. In the same way, we can use do or does as the main verb or as the helping verb. So that's given in this slide. You can pause the video and go through the other examples to make your understanding clearer. But you have to remember that have or has is used as the main verb in some sentences, and it can be used as helping verbs in some other sentences.